It's trying. See how fast it's moving.
Weird. Got all quiet all of a sudden?
Yeah. You see it kind of tailing?
See it over there? You see stuff like that?
Oh, right there, right there. See all the little wispies? Right behind it?
Behind the water tower? Oh, over there?
Yeah.
That's rain.
That's just rain. Okay. Well, you can see it.
Yeah, usually when you see them get down this close, man, you gotta start looking towards the ground and wait and trying to see clouds coming up, because in the first stages you can't. It's not fully solid yet. It's badass. Lights are up.
Sirens are out. It's right next to you. Wind's kicking up.
Yeah, you can see the bottom of that.
Hail.
Oh,
Hail.
that's big hail. Here it comes. Here it comes.
He just said that. Oh crap! Did you see that thing? It was like